Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone SE from 2022, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. Now, to actually get the toggle, which will be visible here, we first need to actually add it. So let's do that by going into our settings. From here, I'm going to navigate to Control Center and find the screen recording toggle somewhere in here. So there we go. So we have screen recording. We also have sound recording if that's something that you're interested, but this video is strictly for screen. So I'm going to select plus right here, which automatically adds it over here. And that means that we can now quickly access it from here. So once you've added your toggle, click on it. It gives you a countdown, and after that 3 seconds, it will start recording. As you can see, your notification bar turns red just to signify that it's recording, and whatever you will do right now, what kind of application you'll open, will be recorded by the device. And once you're done, tap on the toggle once again. This will save your recording, which you can view in your Photos application, which is right here. There we go. And it's already playing, so just gonna let it play through. So there we go. That is how you can record screen on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.